Hi, I'm back with a quick video. I just wanted to share a DIY project I worked on. Here you see some branches from a tree that I cut down some branches from. I thought I would spray paint them, and I used some silver spray paint. I think they turned out amazing. Look at that, spray paint. I also received a gift for my new home, and it was a reef. Guess what? Yep, I thought I'd spray paint it too. I knew I wanted it to be more silver than that pewter color, and I even had a small vase in the house, a couple of other things I spray painted. So there are those branches. Wow, who would have known? I think they turned out great and look great in the vase. And then there's the small decorative vase that I spray painted as well. It was another sort of slate blue color when I purchased it. And look at the reef on the wall, now silver. There's some more things that I want to do to kind of bring that wall out. But hope you enjoyed this. Thanks.
My faith in him so much more.